Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that once again will roll out in the European Economic Area, or the European Union basically, is going to affect Google Chrome. And I think this should be everywhere around the world. As we talked about how Windows is going to actually have the ability to remove easily, say, Microsoft Edge or whatever the feature that you don't want. Well, Google Chrome, that of course by default when you use Google Chrome, you end up using the Google search engine, and in the search bar here at the top, you're using Google. Well, in the European Economic Area, they will actually, in the first run of Google, there will be a page like this that's going to say, choose your search engine. And you'll have a list like this. So Google will be there, but you'll have others like Bing and like DuckDuckGo and Brave Search and so on. And so this, unfortunately, will only be on the Google Chrome browsers for the European Union. But I think that would be a good idea to have it everywhere. Why not let people choose their own search engine? I mean, you can do it manually. Yes, absolutely. I agree. But this is the easy way to do it. A lot of people don't have much of a tech know-how. So, changing it manually is more difficult for a lot of people than you think. So why not? This would be nice to have everywhere. And once again, it's only for the European Union. So this is coming in 2024, as of course there's a lot of changes coming to a lot of software and a lot of services in Europe due to all the new regulations there, to kind of help have people use the products and services the way they want, not the way that big tech wants them to be using them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.